Imagine stepping into your backyard on a warm summer evening. The air is still, the fireflies begin to glow, and a gentle breeze carries the scent of your blooming herbs. But something is missing. That maddening, high-pitched whine. That incessant itch. You see, on our homestead, we haven't been bothered by mosquitoes for years. Not one. And we've achieved this peace for less than $60, using methods that not only protect our family and our land, but actively support the delicate ecosystem that makes our organic farm thrive, especially our precious honeybees. For over a decade, my family and I have dedicated ourselves to organic homesteading, nurturing a vibrant landscape that teems with life. We keep multiple hives of honeybees, whose health and survival are paramount to our philosophy and our life. These are broad-spectrum poisons, designed to kill anything with an insect nervous system. They don't discriminate. They wipe out mosquitoes, yes, but they also decimate our pollinator populations, shred the intricate soil food web, and ultimately undermine the very health of our shared environment, all for a recurring profit margin. This isn't just an inconvenience. It's an ecological assault, masked as a convenience. And it's a battle we're winning on our own terms. So how do we do it? We start by understanding our adversary. Every mosquito that bites you in your yard was born right there. Not from the neighbor's pond, not blown in on the wind, but from a small, often overlooked puddle of standing water on your property. A bottle cap, a clogged gutter, a forgotten watering can. That's all it takes for a female mosquito to lay hundreds of eggs. Our first line of defense, and arguably the most crucial, is what we call source reduction. It's simple, it's free, and it's highly effective. Once a week, especially after rain, take a walk around your property with an empty bucket or watering can. Empty any standing water you find. Turn over wheelbarrows, discard old tires, clean out bird baths, and ensure your gutters are free of debris. If water can't collect, mosquitoes can't breed. This 5-minute ritual is half the battle won. For those unavoidable spots, rain barrels, low-lying areas that hold water, or designated breeding traps, we deploy a targeted biological solution. Bacillus thuringiensis israelensis, or BTI for short. This isn't a chemical pesticide. It's a naturally occurring bacterium found in soils worldwide. We're going to create highly attractive, yet lethal, nurseries for mosquitoes. Here's the recipe for our mosquito magnet buckets. Find a dark-colored 5-gallon bucket, as mosquitoes prefer shaded, dark water for egg laying. Fill it halfway with water. Rainwater is ideal, but tap water works. Toss in a handful of grass clippings or a few dead leaves. As this organic matter breaks down, it releases scents that signal a perfect breeding ground to egg-laying female mosquitoes. Place these buckets in discreet, shady spots away from your main living areas, behind a shed, under a dense hedge, or near a wooded edge. You want to draw them away from you, not towards your patio. Now for the secret ingredient, BTI. You can find it commercially as mosquito bits or mosquito dunks. Sprinkle 1 heaping spoonful of mosquito bits into each bucket. You don't need to stir. The bacteria will settle and activate. For larger water bodies like rain barrels or cattle troughs, a mosquito dunk, which is a slow-release tablet, is perfect. It works for about a month. For clogged gutters, a few bits sprinkled directly into the gutter will handle any hidden nurseries there. The beauty of BTI is its incredible specificity. When a mosquito larva ingests BTI, the bacterium releases a crystalline protein toxin. This toxin is only activated in the highly alkaline environment of a mosquito larva's gut. Think of it like a very specific key fitting into only one lock. The toxin binds to unique receptor sites present only in the gut lining cells of mosquitoes, black flies, and fungus gnats. Once bound, it creates pores in the gut wall, leading to paralysis, bacterial infection, and ultimately, the death of the larva within 24 hours. This remarkable specificity means BTI is completely harmless to honeybees, butterflies, dragonflies, fish, birds, mammals, including your pets and children, because their gut chemistry and receptor sites are entirely different. It's a biological sniper, not a carpet bomb, making it the safest larvicide available, a stark contrast to the indiscriminate chemical sprays that plague our bee populations. While BTI handles the larvae, we also need a strategy for the adult mosquitoes that have already hatched. This is where we turn to Jadam-inspired essential oil emulsions. These are powerful, plant-derived repellents and contact deterrents that won't harm our pollinators. The key is proper emulsification so the oils mix evenly with water and adhere effectively to plant surfaces. Here's your essential oil emulsion recipe. Start with a high-quality, cold-pressed natural liquid soap, ideally one without harsh detergents. This acts as our wetting agent and emulsifier. For a 4-gallon pump sprayer, you'll want to use approximately 1 to 2 ounces of liquid soap. Then, select a blend of essential oils known for their insect-repelling properties. Our favorites include cedarwood, rosemary, peppermint, clove, lemongrass, and even a touch of garlic essential oil. You can find these online or at natural health stores. For a 4-gallon sprayer, aim for a total of 4 to 8 ounces of essential oils. A good starting blend could be 2 ounces of cedarwood, 2 ounces of rosemary, 1 ounce of peppermint, 1 ounce of clove, and 1 ounce of lemongrass. Add the soap to a small amount of warm water first to help it dissolve. Then vigorously mix in your essential oils until they are fully emulsified. The mixture should be cloudy and uniform, like a milky liquid. Then, add this concentrate to your 4-gallon sprayer and fill the rest with water, shaking gently to ensure even distribution. Application is crucial. Adult mosquitoes don't fly around in the open during the heat of the day. They rest in cool, dark, sheltered places, the undersides of leaves and dense shrubs, the eaves of your porch, the interior of woodpiles, and thick ground cover. This is where you target your spray. With your pump sprayer, apply the emulsion to these resting zones. Ensure thorough coverage, focusing on the lower branches and leaf undersides of bushes, the shaded areas around your home's foundation, fences, and anywhere you suspect mosquitoes might be hiding. Avoid spraying directly onto blooming flowers or areas where pollinators are actively foraging. While these oils won't kill bees, they can temporarily deter them, and we want our bees to access every blossom freely. This essential oil treatment will last about 2 to 3 weeks, or until a heavy rain washes it away. Reapply as needed throughout the mosquito season. The cost of a good pump sprayer is a one-time investment, and the essential oils, while initially more than BTI, are still far less expensive over a season than a single commercial spray application. Beyond these targeted strategies, we also embrace a more holistic approach to create an ecosystem that naturally suppresses mosquito populations. We encourage natural predators like dragonflies, bats, and certain birds by providing habitat and water sources that are BTI treated. A purple martin house, while perhaps not a silver bullet for mosquitoes, brings these beautiful insectivores to your property, contributing to overall insect balance. And for an immediate, localized repellent, my grandmother's method of burning dried herbs like rosemary, sage, and lavender in a small, perforated tin can at dusk provides a pleasant, chemical-free zone of protection around our outdoor seating areas. The smoke from these herbs is completely benign to beneficial insects already tucked in for the night, but effectively drives away mosquitoes within a 10-foot radius. Mosquitoes are more than just a nuisance. They're vectors for serious diseases globally. But the answer to this challenge does not lie in toxic, broad-spectrum chemicals that poison our environment and endanger our crucial pollinators. It lies in understanding nature, working with biological processes, and adopting sustainable practices that are both effective and responsible. Our bees, our soil, and our future depend on it. By embracing source reduction, deploying highly specific BTI, and utilizing Jadam-inspired essential oil emulsions, you can reclaim your backyard for under $60 without a single harmful chemical. This isn't just about mosquito control. It's about regenerative living, about empowering ourselves to cultivate healthy, thriving spaces. So this weekend, take that 5-minute walk, set out your BTI buckets, and mix up your first batch of essential oil emulsion. You'll be amazed at the results. Tell me in the comments below, what's your biggest mosquito challenge? And are you ready to ditch the chemical sprays for good? I'd love to hear about your experience with these natural methods. Next time, we're diving into the ingenious, zero-cost trick my grandfather used to keep pantry pests out of the flour barrel. It's shockingly simple and incredibly effective.